Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make deep fried ice cream. It is very quick, very simple, and super delicious. Listen, I don't always like to fry things, but when I do, I like it to be ice cream. Here's what you'll need. A saucepan with oil, which you want to start heating because you need the oil nice and hot. So you want to put it on medium high and start this going. You will need to make a batter, which I made from 3/4 cup flour, 1 cup water, 1/4 cup sugar, and a smidget of salt for taste. You may also add, for taste, a little vanilla or cinnamon based on the ice cream that you're using. You will also need crushed cornflakes, which to make this I simply put it in a Ziploc bag and use my roller to run over it until I have the consistency I want. You want to make it small enough so it doesn't stab you in the mouth, but also not powderize too much. So this is a nice medium. You will need a spoon and or a spaghetti ladle. And last but not least, you will need your ice cream, whichever flavor you like. You will also need to ensure that this ice cream is very frozen before you start. Now, as I said, it's a very quick process. So just like what I did, you want to make sure you have all your ingredients you need lined out so you can make for very quick action. Let's test our oil by throwing a piece of this cornflakes in here. See, it floated. Our oil is hot enough. Okay, so you want to get a nice scoop of ice cream. And you're gonna put it in the batter. Then put it in the cornflakes. Get this nice and covered. Of course, you know you have to wash your hands because you're getting handsy. That's like a no-brainer, guys. Come on. So after I have this nice and covered, drop it in the oil. This is a very quick process, guys, like 10 seconds. And you're done. So there you have it, guys. Fried ice cream. Please stay tuned to our channel where we can bring you more tips, tricks, and ideas to your home. Okay, so you want to get a nice scoop of ice cream. Uh-oh.